Hi everyone. Welcome back to our SQL training series. In today's session, we'll solve question 15, how to find the most recent order for each product from the sales records. We have two tables, products table and orders table. Products table stores product information, including product number, part number, SKU description, and price. Combination of product number and part number uniquely identify a product. Orders table stores order transactions, including order number, product number, part number, and order date. There is no primary key in this table. Our task is simple. For each product, return the product number, part number, order date, and price of the most recent order. Sort the results by product number, part number, and order number. Let's look at an example. For products with multiple orders, we only want the most recent one. The expected output is the following. Now let's see the solution in SQL Server Management Studio. Method 1. Using subquery with rank. Window function. In this query, we join products with orders on product number and part number. Use rank to assign a rank based on latest order date. Filter to only the latest rank one. Order the result as required. This method is flexible, useful if you want top 2 or top 3 orders per product. Execute this query and we got 52,208 rows. Method 2. Using subquery plus max plus join back. How this works. First, get the latest order date per product part using max and group by. Then join back to the orders table to fetch the full order record. Finally, join with products to get price and product info. This method is optimized for SQL Server and often performs better on large datasets with the right indexes. Run the query and we can see both methods will give you the latest order of each product with price. Let's see the performance summary. When there is large with good indexing, method 2 is preferred. When flexible ranking is needed, for example top 3, method 1 is preferred. When you want consistent pattern for window functions, better to use method 1. When you want fastest, latest record with aggregation, method 2 is a better choice. That's it for question 15. We explored 2 practical ways to retrieve the most recent orders, both tested and proven in SQL Server. Let's move on to question 16, how to discontinue products that haven't sold for over 3 years. We'll use the same products and orders tables we worked with in question 15, where we retrieved the most recent order date for each product. Now, we want to take it further by finding out how long it has been since each product's last sale and list the products with no sales for more than 3 years. Let's see the query in SQL Server Management Studio. Let me explain how this works. We just add a column in the question 15 query. First, we cast the order date to varchar 10. Because in our table, order date is stored as a numeric float value, like 240131. Then we convert that string into a date using style 12, YYMMDD. Next, we use datediff to calculate the number of days between the last order date and today. We divide by 365.0 to convert days into years, giving us a decimal value for years from today. We use all the query as a common table expression and finally, we filter for products with no sales for more than 3 years. When we run this query, we get 17,924 rows. These are the products that haven't been sold in over 3 years. Important SQL tip. SQL Server does not allow order by inside a CTE unless you're using top or offset. So make sure to place your order by in the final select statement, like we did here. To recap, we used a window function to get the latest order date. We calculated the time since the last sale in years. We filtered out products with no sales for over 3 years. This approach helps businesses decide when to discontinue outdated or slow-moving products. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel. Thank you.